Hi everyone, this is just another regular makeup look with red lipstick and we are going to use some brown kohl and smudge it. You'll see how. I'm using powder foundation, so I'm going to moisturize and prime as well as I can. Mattify the top of your eyelid with any powder of your choice so that you can contour your eyelid. For daily makeup, a neutral light brown or a skin tone color is good enough. When I say contour your eyelid, basically I want you to take it up till your crease line, and if you have hooded eyes, just go a little further. But don't go up till your eyebrows, leave space for your brow bone. That makes your eyebrows look better. Also, you have the space to use a highlighter if you want. Now this is very easy. I take a brown kohl like this and I line my eyes without being neat. There's no need to be neat. And then take a pencil brush and smudge it. Smudge it as much as you want. This smudging step and a basic brown not only defines the eyes, it gives it a bit of a smoky effect. I'm keeping it light, but if you want it darker, just put more brown kohl and keep smudging. I'm just going to use my powder foundation and even out my face. I like to keep it natural. I just use a gel to set my eyebrows. As and when I need to draw it, I do the same. Now, without taking any extra product, use the same pencil brush with whatever's left on it and just shade your lower lash line as much as you want. But don't take any extra product. That gives you the right color. Complete your eye makeup with a good mascara. Prime your lips with a nude lip liner of your choice. Doesn't matter which brand, whatever works for you. Just make sure it's 2 shades darker than your skin tone. Oh, also before makeup, just use any lip balm. Don't do any makeup on dry lips. I'm going for a dark red lipstick today, so I'm going to use a dark lip liner. Dab the first layer of your lipstick with a tissue and then apply it again. It will make it stay a little longer. Complete your makeup with a good blush. Apply a little bit and then blend it. Then if you need more, you apply more. But the moment you put too much, it's very difficult to reduce it. Hope you found that easy. Do give it a try. I'll see you next when I'm getting ready again.